Hi guys, welcome to Yellowstone Part 2. Today we will see several different geysers, review a few geysers, review a few hot springs, and see a few new hot springs. We entered through this west entrance and we went through West Yellowstone, and now we are headed to the Grand Prismatic Spring. This is how a drive to Yellowstone looks like. There will be mountains in the background. There will be small hot springs and big steam vents, and it's everywhere. We parked our car in the parking lot, and then we are right now heading up the Fairy Falls Trail that I said in the last video. When you go up this trail, you can see it in clear, very clear. And at the trailhead, there's like this overlook where you can see it, all of the colors. It's a little steamy today, but sometimes there is no steam and you can see it really, really clear. And it's a quick and easy hike, a little bit of incline. You see that boardwalk there? That is the boardwalk that we went through in the last video to see the Grand Prismatic Spring up close. This is the Old Faithful Geyser Basin. There are many other geysers near Old Faithful other than Old Faithful, and this is the Castle Geyser, which it last erupted 2 days ago, and this is the Crested Pool. There are so many steam places. There's a light drizzle right now, but it will soon stop. This geyser is kind of special. It looks like a pool and it acts just like a geyser, and it goes really high up in the sky. This is the beauty pool and it is beautiful. This is the giant geyser. It's not that active because it's now dormant. It's gone dormant. It's gone extinct. It last erupted on March 10th of 2019. This is a very active geyser. It is called the Grotto Geyser. This is the Morning Glory pool. It is losing its color because there are people throwing trash into the Morning Glory pool, and in spring it looks more colorful. We are now going to the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. It's a huge canyon. There are two small falls, but very tall falls. There's upper falls and lower falls. There are a lot of viewpoints in the area. This is Mammoth Hot Springs. You might think that the white things at the top are ice, but it's actually not ice. It's calcium. It's very hot, actually. The reason why Mammoth Hot Springs are white is because there are several deposits of calcium carbonate, and this is actually not cold, it's hot water. The hot water that feeds Mammoth comes from the Norris Geyser Basin after traveling underground via a fault line that runs through limestone and roughly parallel to the Norris to Mammoth Road. The limestone from rock formations along the fault is a source of calcium carbonate. Behind me, there is a black rock known as Devil's Thumb. We are now going to exit Yellowstone. We are right now headed to our hotel in Great Falls, Montana. The road is very twisty and curvy and strenuous. And that's it for today's video. So keep on watching. Please subscribe and bye.